guys, welcome back to my channel. So if I look the same in a few of my videos, it's because I am binge filming today. I am baby free for a few hours, so I want to get out as much content as possible. I did film this look and it'll probably be up after this video. But in this video, I'm going to give you an update on the Supernova hair dupe that I filmed back in May, I believe. I will leave the link down below to that video in the description box, but it was on the cranberry hair, cranberry colored hair. And I keep all of the wigs that I am selling in bags like this, and I keep them in a hairnet. So I had intended on wearing this wig, but with my natural hair growing as fast as it is, this is too small for me. Now, if I had my hair in braids, I could wear this fine, but I have been on a blonde binge for the entire summer, and this is more of a fall winter color for me. So I wasn't trying to wear it during the summer, and now that I have some other wigs on the pipeline, I just decided to sell this. So this will be available on my Poshmark. But this is the wig this is the hair that I bought from Amazon, and I just put some wand curls in it. Now, you might be asking, where's the closure? Because there is no closure or frontal. This is a full wig. So what happened was I tried to bleach the knots. I don't know why I tried to bleach the knots, because it's obviously permanent color, but maybe I was tired and some part of my brain was like, oh, they'll lift. They didn't lift, and the hair started to fall out. So if you do purchase hair from this company and you purchase a frontal for them, do not plan on bleaching your knots. You're going to have to do the old method of just using your foundation to hide them. So I ruined the frontal. I wasn't going to buy a new one, and so I just made this wig right here. The hair is still super soft. Like I said, I have washed this, I just haven't worn it. So I washed the hair, I put the curls in it, and this is what it looks like. The color did not bleed, it did not fade. It smells amazing, obviously, because I washed it. But I didn't lose any hair from the wefts either. It's really high quality hair. It's just, I messed up the frontal. Now, if I can find a frontal that has the same burgundy cranberry shade and is in transparent, that would work great, because I do have some extra bundles that are also on my Poshmark up for sale, and then I could just, add that on and you can make your own wig. But I just wanted to give you guys this quick update on this hair, because I had not realized that I hadn't given you one, and I'm about to sell it. So like I said, to get these wand curls, I just used a 1-inch wand, wrapped it around and let it go, sprayed a little bit of soft sheen on it to give it that really nice healthy look. Now, and this does have bangs right here, so yeah, I'm kind of sad to see this go, but like I said, even if I wanted to wear it, I couldn't, because my natural hair is just getting too big. I need to get it braided. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, then please give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. And I hope to see you in the next one.